Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. Today, in this video, we will discuss the worksheet of Festivals of India. So, children, let's start. Children, the first question is match the festival with its special food. So, in this question, you have to match the festival with its special food. Special food here means that you have to match the festival with the food that is eaten on the day of the festival. So, the first festival is Christmas. Second festival is Diwali. Third festival is Holi. And the last festival is Eid. Special food items are gujia, sevaiyan, cake and sweets. Children, if you know the answers, you can match yourself. In case you don't know the answer, let me discuss the answers for you. So, we eat cake on Christmas. So, you have to match Christmas with cake. Second, Diwali, we eat sweets on Diwali. So you have to match Diwali with sweets. Children, the third question is Holi. We eat gujia on Holi. So you have to match Holi with gujia. Children, the last question is Eid. So, we eat sevaiyan on Eid. Children, I hope you have completed this question. Let us discuss question 2 now. Question 2 is draw a tick for the true statements and a cross for the false ones. Children, if the statement is correct, then you have to draw a tick. And if the statement is incorrect, then you have to make a cross. Children, the first part is Santa Claus brings gifts for children on Christmas. So, if the statement is correct, you have to make a tick, and if it is incorrect, then you have to make a cross. So, does the Santa Claus bring gifts for children on Christmas? If yes, then make a tick. If no, then make a cross. Second question is, India became a republic on 15th August. So children, you have to make a tick if the statement is correct. And if the statement is incorrect, then you have to make a cross. Third question is, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Third one is Diwali is a festival of colors. If the statement is correct, then you have to make a tick. And if it is incorrect, then you have to make a cross. Last part of this question is Christmas is celebrated on 25th October. Let us discuss the answers now. The first question is Santa Claus brings gifts for children on Christmas. So children, this statement is correct. Okay? Santa Claus brings gifts for children on Christmas. Okay? Next one is India became a republic on 15th August. Children, this statement is incorrect. India became a republic on 26th January, not on 15th August. This statement is incorrect. Next one is Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Children, this statement is correct. Fourth one is Diwali is a festival of colors. Children, this statement is incorrect. Diwali is a festival of lights, not colors. Holi is a festival of colors. Last one, Christmas is celebrated on 25th October every year. No children, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year, not on 25th October. Children, in case you need more time, you can pause this video. Let us discuss the next question now. Match the festivals with the dates on which they are celebrated. So children, most of the festivals do not have a fixed date, but there are some festivals that are celebrated on a particular date. Okay, so in this question you have to match the festival with the date on which it is celebrated. The first one is Gandhi Jayanti. Second one is Christmas. Third one is Republic Day. And the last one is Independence Day. Children, the dates are 26th January, 15th August, 25th December and 2nd October. Children, let's discuss the answers now. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. So you have to match Gandhi Jayanti with 2nd October. Second one is Christmas. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. You have to match Christmas with 25th December. Third one is Republic Day. Children, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. So you have to match Republic Day with 26th January. And the last one is Independence Day. So children, India got independence on 15th August. So you have to match Independence Day with 15th August. Children, let us discuss the next question now. You have to write the national festivals of our country. Children, in the last video we discussed about the national festivals, religious festivals and harvest festivals of our country. So, India has 3 national festivals. You have to write the name of those national festivals. Let us discuss the answers now. So, the first national festival is Independence Day. Children, the spelling is INDEPENDENCE, Independence, DAY, Day. Children, the first letter of independence and day will be capital. I am repeating the spelling INDEPENDENCE, Independence, DAY, Day. Next one is Republic Day. The spelling is REPUBLIC, Republic, DAY, Day. I am repeating the spelling REPUBLIC, Republic, DAY, Day. Children, the first letter of Republic and Day will be capital. Next one is Gandhi Jayanti. The spelling is GANDHI, Gandhi, JAYANTI, I am repeating the spelling, children. GANDHI, Gandhi, JAYANTI, Gandhi Jayanti. So children, these are the national festivals of our country. Children, your homework is to draw and color the picture of anything that you like about your favorite festival. So, if you like Diwali, then what is that one thing that you love the most? Okay, you have to draw the picture of the thing that you like the most about your favorite festival. For example, if you like Holi, you can draw a spray gun, Pichkari, if that is your favorite. Also, you have to color the picture. Children, that's all for today's video class. I will see you in another class. Goodbye. Take care.